Hi guys, in this video we will see how to recover deleted files from your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you want to recover your accidentally deleted files and folders in your system, then you can easily recover. There are 3 or 4 ways you can recover these deleted files. The first one is check in recycle bin. This is the first and initial workaround. You must check your recycle bin because all the deleted files will kept in recycle bin. So check your recycle bin, and if you find it here, simply restore it. Search your files and folders in recycle bin folder, and if your files and folders found here, then simply restore it. You can also search here your files and folders by name and simply right click on it and choose restore. This is the first and initial workaround. The second way to fix this issue or recover the deleted files using previous versions. You have previous version of that files and folders, then you can easily recover your files and folders using previous version. Go to the files and folders from which your files have been deleted. So simply right click on that files and folders, and here this is the folder, and right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar you will go to previous versions, and here you will find your previous versions. If you have set it as previous version and taken backup of that files, then it will visible here. Simply select it and choose restore. You can easily restore your deleted files and folders from previous version. Simply select it and choose restore. The third way to recover deleted files in Windows 11 and 10 system is through control panel using file history. File history is also an important feature, so you can easily recover your files and folders from here. Open control panel in your system. Here choose file history. Click on it. Here first choose a drive. File history must be turned on. So first enable file history in your system. Thereafter choose restore personal files from the left side. Various option available here. Choose here. File history is saving copies of your file for the first time. We can't finish copying from your file. Such type of message you will receive. So you must insert a USB drive or network drive to your system to create a backup or to create a copy of your backup. You must use a network or USB drive for backup. So enter a USB drive or connect a network drive to your system to create a backup and restore. And thereafter follow on screen instructions. Select a drive, select a file history drive. If as soon as you inserted your USB drive, this USB drive will visible here, and choose and follow on screen instruction. The fourth method to recover deleted files is Windows File Recovery Tool. This is an Microsoft Store providing tools, Windows File Recovery Tool. Simply go to Windows Search, and here go to Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store in your system, and here go to Library from the left side of settings space, and here search Windows File Recovery. Open the appeared result, Windows File Recovery, and simply download and install it in your system. click on Git. And download and install it in your system. It will take few seconds. Once successfully downloaded and installation completed, open Windows File Recovery. This will open in command prompt windows, and here you will find the various commands. You will have to execute this command. The command, simply enter here after blinking cursor. This is the command. And source drive, destination folder, mode and switches. Mode should be regular and extensive. Switches, filter and some other feature also available here. Follow on screen instruction to enter the command. Here example also you have given an example. For example, recovery, destination, regular, end users, username, downloads. So use this command. For example, such type of command you should create. Mode should be regular and extensive. Switches should be such type of, and such type of command you will have to create. Here D is the destination folder and E is the source folder, and some, for example, source folder, destination folder, mode and switches. Enter such type of command and test recovery folder. This is the file name and this is the file value. This is the destination folder, this is source folder, this is the mode, and this is the file's name, recovery file's name, and such type of property of recovery file. And finally, enter this command in command prompt windows and press enter, and follow on screen instruction to complete the Windows file recovery process.